Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD by Nagendra. So in this video, we are going to create this sketcher in SolidWorks. So for this, I am considering this point as origin point. Now let me create one horizontal and vertical reference lines. So let me enter into here, new part, let's say OK. Then I need to create one sketch on this front plane. So just I'll click on front plane and I will go here with sketch option. So to create reference elements, I will use here with line. I need one horizontal for construction purpose, infinite length I need with reference to origin point. Say OK. Same like that, one more we need vertical line with reference to origin. Let's say OK. Now from this origin point, we are having here total 3 circles. So let me create here 3 circles from origin. Second one, then third one. Next, dimension for inner circle we are having diameter of 28. Let me give diameter of 28 for this inner first circle. Then for second circle we are having here diameter of 44. This circle should be with construction. Let me give dimension for this we are having diameter of 44 and let me convert this circle by using this construction geometry. We will convert into reference. Then outer circle dimension we are having diameter of 64. Let me give this diameter also we are having here 64. As you can see, up to here we got here fully defined. Then next to that, let me create this inside circles. As you can see, total 6 circles we are having with equal distance with total diameter of 8 mm. It means we need to create one circle here exactly on this horizontal axis somewhere here. Then by using this, we will create here circular sketch pattern. Now let me create one circle exactly on this horizontal axis. That too it should start from this construction circle exactly from this point here. Dimension for this we are having diameter of 8. Let me give diameter of 8. By using this circle, I need to create total here 6 circle with equal quadrant distance. Now for that, I will go here with circular sketch pattern. Center point is this. With reference to this point, I need to create this pattern. So let me create here. Center point is this. Then entitles to pattern. I need to make pattern for this circle. Total instances we need here 6. And let's say okay. Now by using pattern, we have created multiple profiles. But as you can see here, these profiles are underdefined. Just if I try to move, these points are able to move. So in that condition, we need to apply relation between this point. It should be exactly on this construction geometry. Make it here coincident. Clear selection. Select any other point. That point to this circle, we need here coincident. So once if we apply relations properly, that point will get coincide to this construction geometry. And as you can see, we will get fully defined profile. Then next to that, we need this profile. So this shape directly we can draw here with circular center point slot. As you can see, center point straight slot, and again different type of slots we are having. Here we need to use center point arc slot. So to create that, as you can see, this center point arc slot should start exactly with inclination of 30 degrees on right side with reference to vertical line. Again, on left side we need to start from 45 degrees inclination. Now for that purpose, let me create here construction geometries. Exactly from origin, just I'll create one line here. Then same one more we want for construction purpose. Exactly from origin, we need in this direction. Angle between vertical line to right side construction, we are having here inclination of 30. Let me give inclination of 30 on right side. Left side we are having 45 degrees. So just I'll give dimension of 45 degrees on left side. Then we need to create this center point arc slot. It should start from exactly on this construction line to this line. Now let me go here with center point arc slot. Starting point should start from origin. Then First point I need to start from this line, then second point up to this line. Just I will click here, then we are able to get this radius. Now dimension for this center curve we are having here 74. So dimension for center curve we are having radius of 74. Then next to that inner circle radius we are having here 10. Let me give radius for this we are having here 10. Then later to that same shape we want one more with radius of 20. So in that condition again we can use here center point arc slot again, or else same shape we can make offset with a distance of 10 mm. Now let me go here with offset. So I need entire profiles, so select chain option should be turned on. If it is turned off, only one element we will get here pattern. So select chain. So total gap we need here 10. Either you want inside or outside. So we needed outside here, let's say okay. So properly with a distance of 10 mm, same shape will be created here. Then next to that we are having here small corner tangent to this outer circle, with radius of 25. Let me create one 3-point arc somewhere from this circle to this circle in this direction. Then add relation between these two we need tangent, clear selection, relation between these two tangent, okay. Dimension for this we need here radius of 25. Again next to that we are having one more curve tangent to this outer circle, with radius of 82. Again let me go here with 3-point arc from this circle to this curve in this direction. Then relation between, by holding control I am selecting multiple elements, directly we are able to apply relation here tangent. Same this to this we need here relation of tangent. Then dimension for this profile we are having, as you can see radius we are having here 82. So in this way we can create this particular sketcher and the entire sketch is fully defined. But still these profiles are showing in blue color, so it won't matter for us. So if you want to trim that, just you can drag it out, just trim that. And if you want to hide all dimensions, just open here. So if you want to show relations we can show, or else if you want to hide you can hide dimensions and relations like this. Thanks for watching, keep supporting.